How much does my Airbnb make? If you ever wondered if you can make money on Airbnb without owning any property, the answer is yes. I'm at one of my properties right now, and I want to show you guys just how much I make off one of these properties. And the craziest thing is that I actually don't own it. My name is Ryan Garnham. I am growing an Airbnb empire. I've been sharing the journey here on YouTube, and I now have 5 arbitrage deals and I have 2 co-hosting deals, and I've been able to replace my 9-to-5 income. And what's amazing is that you can do the exact same thing. I'm going to share with you how much this beautiful property makes me on Airbnb. Before I share those numbers with you, I want to show you guys inside so you can see the luxurious vibe that allow us to make top dollar from our Airbnb listings. This is the property that we call Concord. Let's go in and have a look. Here it is. Okay, so when you first walk in, you'll notice we have a nice open feel. To the right, we have a closet, access to the garage, and a small bathroom. Here's the living room. Look at that art, it's gorgeous. From the living room, we have direct access to the kitchen with appliances, a little coffee spot, and then from there, we have the dining room and access to the backyard. Okay, let's go look upstairs. As we get upstairs, to the right, we have bedroom number 1. Once you exit bedroom number 1, we can get access to bedroom number 2. From bedroom number 2, we have the main upstairs bathroom. And now here it is, the master bedroom. And then from the master bedroom, we have access to the master bathroom. So as you can see, we try to make our properties as luxurious as we can, obviously without spending a ton of money. And because of that, it allows us to get top dollar on Airbnb and therefore generate more profit. Speaking of profit, let's take a look at the numbers. Okay, let's check out the numbers. How much did my Airbnb make in the year of 2024 at Concord, which, as you know, is one of our properties? Let's dive in. So total revenue from bookings was $56,135.08. Now, it does need to be noted that we started in May of 2024. So this property did not go on Airbnb until the first week of May, which means that we actually only had it listed for 8 months. Now, in case you don't believe me, I'll move my face here, but our Airbnb statement is right here. Concord did $56,000. So rent was $22,000 for the year of 2024. And we actually had an increase of our rent in September. So it was $2,500 a month from May until September. And the landlord got back to me. It's like, hey, you know what? I'm thinking about selling. And I was like, hey, don't do that. And so we locked in at $3,000. Everybody's happy. It worked out. Bills. $3,600 for the year or $300 a month. And so our bills include internet, water, electricity, and gas. And so obviously it's give or take every month, but on average it's $300 a month or $3,600 a year. Now our cost of cleanings for last year was $5,820. Okay, we had 97 cleanings. It's actually a lot. My cleaners like, oh my gosh. But anyway, and we pay our cleaners $60 per cleaning. And you're probably like, how do you do that? We have some secret sauce, and I'll share those secret sauces with you guys in the future. Our supplies was $3,000 for last year, and that is an average of $250 a month, and that includes freebies, kind of like the soaps and shampoos and all that fun stuff. Welcome basket that we do, which is just under $5 per stay, and then we have cleaning supplies that we pay for, so like Windex and Lysol and all those different products that we use to clean an Airbnb. So what is the total profit? Well, let's look. Revenue, $56,135. Our rent was $22,000. Bills, $3,600. Cleanings, $5,820. Supplies was $3,000 for a grand total profit of $21,715. Boom, baby. And that was over an 8-month period. That is $2,700 a month profit. Very, very good. Pretty outstanding. In fact, that is definitely above the norm. Most people are doing $1,000 to $1,500 per month on an arbitrage deal. This one is absolutely crushing it. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. If you haven't done so already, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the very next episode.